It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 31st of August. I'm Michael Groff. A very unsettled weather pattern across the area today and tomorrow with the threat of flood or flash flooding increasing. And yeah, we've already seen some flash flood warnings over parts of southwest Maricopa, western Pima, and La Paz counties this morning. Some spots have already picked up 1 to 3 inches of rain. And we do expect more rain throughout the day today, especially by tonight and tomorrow, and maybe a few strong thunderstorms along the way as well. What about the weather for the Labor Day holiday weekend? We'll talk about that and everything else going on as well as we dive in and discuss. And first, we'll take a look at the almanac from yesterday. 105 degrees the afternoon high, 87 was the morning low. The normal high 104, the normal low 82. And looking out there now at 6:25 a.m., mostly cloudy sky across the valley, a few showers, especially over the western portions of the metro. And we are at 85 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 64, relative humidity 50%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. Checking the radar out there right now. Yes, an area of showers and thunderstorms still ongoing across southwest Maricopa County, extending up into the western portions of the greater Phoenix area. Most of this rain now is on the lighter side, although some embedded moderate showers and some rumbles of thunder can be expected there for the next few hours, but this should decrease with time. The upper air look shows a rather unsettled pattern here across the southwest. We have an upper low sitting off the Southern California coast, and weak little impulses are circulating around that, moving up into Arizona. Deeper monsoon moisture coming in from the south as well, and the remnant moisture from Nora is down there too, and that will just add more fuel to this already unstable air mass for today and tomorrow, leading to that increased threat of rain, some of it very heavy, and so that flash flood potential will continue to increase. Here's the watch warning map. We still have flash flood watches in association with the remnants of Ida from the deep south all the way up to New York City. And here in Arizona, the entire state covered by a flash flood watch. For Phoenix, that runs from 11 a.m. this morning through 5 a.m. Thursday morning. A flash flood watch, of course, means that conditions that could lead to flood or flash flooding are possible in and close to the watch area. The convective outlook for today, with the remnants of Ida still out there, there is that risk for some isolated tornadoes extending from the Florida Panhandle up to the Middle Atlantic coast. Here in Arizona, we're in the green, so scattered thunderstorms are expected, and no organized areas of severe weather are defined right now. But if we do manage to get more sun later today, that could destabilize the atmosphere for at least a few strong or isolated severe storms, so you have to keep apprised of the weather situation with that. And the tropics. We still have Ida classified as a tropical depression over extreme north Mississippi moving into Tennessee. It's more of just a remnant circulation at this point, but producing a lot of rain and some isolated severe storms. A new tropical wave coming off the African coast, looking very impressive, very well organized. The good news here is that it is expected to gain latitude. This should not be a threat to the United States. At least that's how it looks right now. But naturally, we'll keep an eye on it. And then we have our brand new tropical storm, and that's Kate out there over the central Atlantic. This is going to gain latitude as well and should not be a threat to anyone. And here's the precipitation outlook. This is valid through next Tuesday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix, 1 inch to 1.5 inches. Heavier totals along the international border over parts of southeast Arizona and those favored upslope areas around the state. But as I always caution you when we show you these maps, especially here in the summertime during the monsoon, your amount will vary. This represents an average across the region, but in a pattern like we have right now, any one storm could put down 1 to 3 inches of rain in a very short period of time. And that's what we're dealing with here over the next couple of days. We'll talk about this in more detail as we get into modeling. Here we go. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. And as outlined, a rather interesting pattern. We have an upper low to the west of us just off the Southern California coast and some weak disturbances moving around that. We have deeper tropical moisture from Ida moving northward, and our ridge well off to the east. Our typical monsoon flow is still there too. So, for us, down at the surface today, scattered showers and thunderstorms across southwest Arizona extending up into the western portions of the greater Phoenix area. I do expect to see those tapering off and a decrease in clouds through the morning hours into the midday. And should that occur, if we do manage to get the clouds out of here, that would help us to get more sun and add to the already unstable air mass. And so with that upper low to the west, those weak impulses circulating around that and a very rich moisture supply streaming in here from the south, Scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms will develop this afternoon. And again, with more instability, that could lead to a few strong storms too, producing some gusty winds and hail. But the primary threat from storms today, especially by this afternoon, will be heavy rain. So that's why we have that flash flood watch in effect from 11 a.m. this morning through 5 a.m. Thursday. Highs this afternoon will be lower than we've seen in recent days, generally in the mid-90s, maybe the upper 90s. And for tonight, showers and thunderstorms likely. A few strong storms can't be ruled out, but again, the major risk is heavy rain. Overnight lows in the 70s. Tomorrow, showers and thunderstorms likely in the morning, and then we'll see a slow decrease in the number of storms by the afternoon. Still, the possibility of heavy rain will be with us throughout the day, as we're just in a very unstable air mass as that upper low to the west finally begins to move on through, and we have plenty of moisture around. High temperatures likely only in the mid-80s to around 90. As for Thursday, we might see an isolated shower or storm in the early morning. Otherwise, we become mostly sunny. High temperatures should recover a little bit back to the low, maybe mid-90s. Friday looks mostly sunny here with widely scattered showers and storms still across the eastern third of the state. High temperatures mid to maybe upper 90s. But over the weekend, for the Labor Day holiday weekend, the GFS indicates that some monsoon moisture will begin to return. So partly cloudy on Saturday, slight chance of a late day shower or storm. High temperatures pretty close to the century mark. And on Sunday, a small increase in the number of showers and storms, and high temperatures mid and upper 90s. And same deal for Labor Day. Scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms, high temperatures mid 90s to near 100 degrees. And a week from today, this is Tuesday, the 7th of September, a strengthening ridge now over the Great Basin and an eastern-northeasterly flow across Arizona. Still a low-grade monsoon in effect, if that's right, but temperatures warming back to around average levels for this time of year. And then going out 10 days, this is Thursday, the 9th of September. And if this is correct, still at least a low-grade monsoon around for widely scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms. And high temperatures relatively close to, or maybe just ever so slightly above normal. As we check out rainfall for the Phoenix area over the next couple of weeks, coming off of the GFS ensemble, the mean is around an inch or so. And temperatures off of the national blend of models. After this bout of unsettled weather here for the middle part of this week, it looks like we will see readings climbing up to near normal levels for the Labor Day weekend and much of next week. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions are always encouraged as well. I thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe. Stay cool. Stay hydrated out there. Watch your kids around the swimming pool. Enjoy the rain where you can find it. And have yourselves a fantastic Tuesday.